And this is how it all begins. It's all about an idea and then a sketch on a blank piece of paper. For us, it's creation. It's the magic of giving form and function to a soulless piece of metal or a panel of glass. For our customers, it's the sheer joy of seeing their needs and concerns satisfied to the extent that they had envisioned. In our core, there has always been the ambition to build a company on solid foundations, strict principles, and true values, focusing on people and their needs rather than just making business. It's all about products engineered in a manner that reflects the personal touch and the statement that we do care. It's a combination of modern and traditional. From the first samples to the finished item, the combination of modern technology and traditional craftsmanship is all there, giving our products their superlative quality and functionality. The whole process is an exhibition of constant inspection, quality control, real-life testing, and corrective action, so as to ensure that our customers receive what they asked for. And when we finally get to see our products installed in the best hotels, the top resorts, and the most awarded villas, we gloat with pride. Because it is then the satisfaction enables us to say, yes, we also contributed to this, and it was all worth it because we do care. We rely on our company human-centric attributes. We find that exchanging ideas promotes our business. Our people in our departments are guided by the rule of providing the best possible service and, above all, understanding our customers' individual needs.
Here at Yalonet, day in, day out, we are constantly working as a team and providing solutions even for the most challenging projects and extremely tight deadlines. Because this is how we work, how we do business. We really do care. It's as simple as that.